Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Lesson Hub. Let's learn about family members. She is my mother. She takes care of me. He is my father. He helps me. She is my sister. She plays with me. He is my brother. He shares toys with me. This is a baby. The baby is very small. She is my grandmother. She tells me stories. He is my grandfather. He is very kind. They are my parents. They love me very much. They are my grandparents. They help me every day. Let's play a guessing game. Listen and look carefully. Who is it? It's a mother. Great job. Who is it? It's a father. Well done. Who is it? It's a sister. Nice job. Who is it? It's a brother. Awesome. Who is it? It's a baby. Good job. Who is it? It's a grandmother. Excellent. Who is it? It's a grandfather. Great guessing. Who is it? They are parents. Well done. You did an amazing job today. See you next time.